In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the copy-paste features of the editor. So I'll drag a cube into the scene and I will open the inspector for you to see. So right now I have the cube. If I do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, it pastes the cube in the same place. So by default, it will use the same position. If I keep pasting, it does from the original one. If I do Ctrl+D to duplicate, it does the same thing. But for example, if I want to paste the entity without the original one properties, it will paste the entity in the position I'm currently on. So as you can see, the target is here. If I do paste without properties, it will paste the entity in the current position I'm in. The same can be done with the scenes. For example, now I have this scene. If I right click on the scene and I copy the scene and paste the scene, it will do like a duplication of the scene, which kind of like is the same as a duplicate. But if, for example, if I copy the scene and I go to another project, this is one of the flexibilities of this feature, is that if I open another project or create another one, you can see that I have this scene, and if I paste the scene, it will paste the scene that I copied from the other project. As you can see, I'm in a different project, and I copied the scene to the other project. The same can be done with entities. If I copy one entity from one project and I go to another project and, for example, another scene, I can paste the entity there with or without properties. So it's very flexible in terms of copying scenes and entities from across projects and across workspaces. Because I will tell you one trick, because what is happening right now is when I copy an entity or a scene, it's copying information to the clipboard. And if I, for example, paste it on a note, you can see this is like the metadata of the copied entity. So this allows us to copy entities across projects and across workspaces, because if I copy an entity that contains an asset, for example, a texture on the cube, it will copy the asset for the other project. Of course, if it's across workspaces, you need to take care about the asset, because it will you need to have the asset on the workspace, so you need to only take care about that. But you can also tweak this information here and change the positions in the metadata, and then paste it as you want in the scene. The same works for properties. For example, if I have this cube and I will go to the actions, for example, I will add an action of show entity, for example, and this action, it's in this entity. Okay, so if I come here and I copy the property, and for example, I go to another entity on another scene, and for example, if I go to the section of the actions, I see the paste property of the actions here, and it will paste the action that I copied from the other entity into this entity. The same works for transforms. For example, transform is a special case which has more fields to copy. Imagine I have this with a position with these current positions. If I come here, I can copy just the position or the rotation or the scale. I can reset all of this position or rotation or scale, or I can copy all the properties. So I'm flexible on this case. So I guess that's it. So this is the copy feature of the editor, and I hope you understood, and see you on the next video.